Hi children, how are you all? Yes. So I think you all watching our science videos regularly. Hope you all will understand it also. Yes. Yesterday we have completed the lesson 2. So I am going to give you the summary of the lesson today. Shall we go? Yes. The first one is animal nutrition includes the nutrient requirement, mode of intake food and its utilization in the body. Yes, so we have seen a different food has different nutrients and also the mode of taking of food for animals is different. Can you remember what are the methods, children? Yes, swallowing, sucking, catching, capturing, yes, paunching, chiffoning. Yes. The human digestive system consists of alimentary canal and secretory glands. Okay, it consists of what does the alimentary canal has? Buccal cavity, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine ending in the rectum and the anus. The main digestive glands which secrete digestive juices are salivary gland, liver, pancreas. What is the juice that liver generates, children? Yes, bile juice. Okay, understand? How do saliva produce? With the help of salivary gland. The stomach wall and wall of the small intestine also secrete digestive juices. For what, children, it is secreting? To digest. Very good. Okay. The modes of feeding vary in different organisms. Yes. Nutrition is a complex process involving ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and digestion. What do you mean by ingestion, children? The taking food into our body is called ingestion. And the food got digested with the help of digestive juices is the digestion. And after digestion, the nutrients are absorbed by the small intestine. It is called absorption. Okay, absorption. And yes, assimilation. Absorption means the digested nutrient, it has some nutrient and the nutrients was passed into the bloodstream. Okay, and the absorbed nutrients are the absorbed nutrients are used by cells of organisms. Cells in the human body is called assimilation. Okay, know the difference, children? Absorption means digest ஆன ஃபுட்டில் இருக்க நியூட்ரியன்ட் பிளட் ஸ்ட்ரீமில் பாஸ் ஆகும்போது அப்சார்ப் பண்ணுறதுனால தான் அது பாஸே ஆகுது. ஸோ அந்த அப்சார்ப்டு நியூட்ரியண்ட்டை நம்ம பாடியில் இருக்க ஒவ்வொரு செல்ஸும் ஒவ்வொரு ஆர்கன்ஸும் யூஸ் பண்ணுறது தான் அசிமிலேஷன். ஓகே, அண்ட் த ப்ராசஸ் ஆஃப் ரிமூவிங் வேஸ்ட் இஸ் கால்ட் எஜஷன். Digestion of carbohydrates like starch begins in the buccal cavity. The digestion of protein starts in the stomach. The bile secreted from the liver, the pancreatic juice from the pancreas and the digestive juice from the intestinal wall complete the digestion of all components of food in the small intestine. Children, starch based food வந்து எங்கே ஆரம்பிக்கும்? நம்ம பக்கல் கேவிட்டிலேயே நம்ம மெல்ல ஆரம்பிச்சிடுவோம். டைஜஸ்டிவ் அங்கேயே ஸ்டார்ட் ஆயிடும். ஓகே, பக்கல் கேவிட்டியில் டைஜஷன் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆயிடும். பட் ஃபேட் வந்து எங்கே தான் போய் டைஜஸ்ட் ஆகும்னா நம்ம ஸ்டொமக்கில் தான் டைஜஸ்ட் ஆகும் வித் த ஹெல்ப் ஆஃப் பைல் ஜூஸ். ஓகே, the digested food is absorbed in the blood vessels from the small intestine. Okay, this is what absorption, children, noted. The digested food is absorbed in the blood vessels from the small intestine. Okay, this is called absorption. The absorbed substances are transported to different parts of the body. This is called assimilation. Okay, water and some salts are absorbed from the undigested food in the large intestine. Okay, some undigested salt and water gets collected in the large intestine. The undigested and unabsorbed residues are expelled out of the body as fecus through the anus. Okay, so the undigested particles get removed through anus. The grazing animals like cows, buffaloes and deer are known as ruminants. They quickly ingest, swallow their leafy food and store it in the rumen. Later, the food returns to the mouth and animal chews it peacefully. The next one is the amoeba is a unicellular organism. It ingests its food with the help of its false feet or pseudopodia. The food is digested into food vacuole and the waste food was removed out through the food vacuole. And some more extra points, topics also we have learnt in this lesson. What is it? Starfish feeds on animals covered by hard shells of calcium carbonate. Sweets and candies make our tooth decay by bacteria through acids. See, if you are not brushing your teeth regularly, the food particles present which was in the gaps of teeth will change into acid. So that only your tooths and your tooths will get decay soon. Okay, and we may feel some hiccups or cough sometimes while eating. Why? If the food enters the windpipe, we may get a hiccups or cough. And you have seen one Beaumont experiment. A man was shot by a gun and he came to Beaumont doctor and he is getting cured, but he want to observe what is happening inside the stomach. So he found that food was churning in the stomach and also the end of the stomach opens after the digestion. Okay, so everything he found it in those time itself. Okay, and diarrhea is a condition that need to pass watery stool frequently. ஓகே, வயிற்றுப்போக்குன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. யூஸ்வலாக தனித்தனியாக ஒரு மாதிரி மோஷன் போகும். தட் இஸ் வாட் டயேரியா. See, in those, if you feel that situation, you have to take ORS solution, that is a mixture of salt and sugar in your water. You have to mix salt and sugar in your water, then you have to drink it. That is what ORS solution. Oral rehydration solution. Okay, thank you children.